Happy birthday, Sandy.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sandy. Happy birthday to you.
What song were you singing? Say happy birthday, Sandy.
What song?
Happy birthday, Sandy.
Happy birthday, Sandy.
Sorry that we missed wishing you a happy birthday on your birthday, but we figure better late than never. Looking forward to seeing you for Si's birthday in March. Love you. Bye.